Taco Bell's Crunchwrap Supreme is a fan favorite, and for a good reason. It's a delicious combination of meat, cheese, and vegetables, all wrapped up in a warm tortilla. But if you're watching your calorie intake, you might be wondering how many calories are in a Crunchwrap Supreme. In this article, we will answer this question and provide you with some low-calorie Crunchwrap Supreme recipes to indulge in your favorite treat without the guilt. How many calories are in a Crunchwrap Supreme? The calorie count of a Crunchwrap Supreme varies depending on the ingredients used and the serving size. On average, a standard serving of Crunchwrap Supreme contains around 530 calories. However, if you add high-calorie toppings like sour cream and guacamole, the calorie count can go up to 700 to 800 calories per wrap. How to make low-calorie Crunchwrap Supremes at home. Here are 3 easy and delicious Crunchwrap Supreme recipes that are low in calories and perfect for satisfying your Taco Bell craving. Recipe 1. Classic Crunchwrap Supreme. Recipe 2. Breakfast Crunchwrap Supreme. Recipe 3. Vegetarian Crunchwrap Supreme. Discover in description of the video the complete article on our blog with preparations of the recipes.
Don't forget to claim below the video in the description your online course about brain reboot, lose fat like crazy. It is not a strict diet, hard to keep, but a 7-step brain reboot. It's like a washing pressure for our insides, and we keep it fun and easy to apply. 1 video per day for 7 days to change forever your habits and reach the body shape that reflects your inner personality, provides you confidence, and makes you proud of yourself.